This is Playbook. Pick your team number 15. Yep, number 15. Two boxer. Good luck. Thank you for the kill, GHT. Good luck, guys. Why don't we guess the first auto? We'll do it for 15, everybody. You guys are in here. It's completely free to guess. Welcome to the Blessed Football Team. I'm the Hammer. It's good to meet you guys, and good luck, everybody. Good luck, guys. What's up, Paulie? Yeah, see a yearbook right up top, too. Your yearbook right up top. Good luck. Start with a Mike Williams. Chargers. Lesban is on the board. For the former Raider. Oh, it's Derek Carr, 11 of 15 for the Raiders. Raiders with an actual decent hit there. Corey. They said Corey. Don't think anybody guessed him. For the Vikings, to 49, it's Luis Seen for the Vikings. Luis Seen for the Vikings. Minnesota. Oh, 1006. On the board. Not the Viking we wanted there, but we'll take it. And our first booklet. Oh, come on, LJ. This looks like hopefully a lion here. LJ, we connected, LJ. LJ, we did it, LJ. That's sick. To 99, LJ. It's Jameson Williams. Let's see. Oh, it's the double patch. It's the rookie lock. Jumbo. Rookie jumbo. Still connected on that one, LJ. I'm happy. For the Commanders on a kill. Terry McLaurin, the 25. 2019 rookie for the Commanders. DHD's on the board. Did I get shorted a card? The 99, it's Gus Edwards. And I think I got shorted a card on that one, guys. Because I don't see another card under that. Oh, LJ, we got you a little something. I was hoping that was an auto for you. I did get shorted a card, guys. That's pretty sick. How about a 5 of 10 Carson Strong for the Eagles? James R52. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, look at that patch. That's disgusting. Ooh. Oh, that's sick. That's a sick Carson Strong for you. I said, James. I said. I did get shorted a card on that one, though. Sorry, guys. All right. Same. Recap. A lot of low-numbered stuff. Take your next ones, guys. Next one is going to be the last two of the case. Jameson Williams on a dual jumbo booklet. And 5 of 10 Carson Strong. That's a pretty sick patch. It's a sick patch auto. That's the break, guys. Thanks, everybody.